Hi traders, this is Steve Miley for forextraders.com, and here we're looking at the US dollar against the Japanese yen spot FX rate on a short-term day trade outlook in here. Well, the market had a push higher yesterday, up through this little down trend line and through some minor resistance in the 108.85 area, but then a subsequent dip back lower, but holding above this 108.45 level in here, rebounding from 108.48, and whilst above this 108.48.45 area, we're looking for the push back higher, back up towards the 109 big figure in here, up towards 109.07.15 peaks, maybe as high as 109.30. Should 108.48.45 surrender, however, it would then renew this kind of negative theme that we've seen in here over the past week or so, and then would open up risk to 108.22, but we don't see a threat at the moment down to this key 107.87 level. So still holding on to a positive tone from yesterday's up move to 109.07, but should 108.48.45 surrender, then a slightly more negative shift going into today. This has been Steve Miley for forextraders.com. Don't forget to follow our YouTube channel, and I'll be back with you soon. Until then, have a great trading day.